For the Salty Pandan Old Fashioned, I'll be using the rock salt, just literally like a pinch, and pop in my mixing glass 60 ml or 2 ounces of the bourbon. So when you add this to the mixing glass, we'll give it a little stir. Okay, we are good here. Good dashes of Angostura bitter. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go with a 15 ml or half an ounce of my blended pandan simple syrup. Some ice again, of course. Give it a good stir for around 60 revolutions, okay? Gonna use one of my big large cubes of clear ice. Strain my cocktail. And for a garnish, pandan leaf. And we are ready, my friends. We have the wonderful Salty Pandan Old Fashioned. Cheers!